Hello everyone, I am Sankalpa and on today's tutorial I'm going to walk you through the effects section on Adobe Lightroom PC. So first of all, I'd like to add a picture real quick. Today I'd like to work on this picture, so I will go for import and then add one photo. So this is the picture I'd like to work on. I'd like to maximize it, hide this sidebar and open this. So the effect is just under the color and above the details section on the Adobe Lightroom edit section. Under effects, we have 5 of these sliders that we're going to work on today. So the first one is texture. Texture slider helps in smoothing or enhancing the textures in pictures without compromising the details or adding noise. So while I move towards the right, it enhances the texture in the picture. So one of the texture is the dog's fur. If you can see the difference, while I move towards the right, yeah, the texture got enhanced. So while I move towards the left, it smoothens. If you can see that. Yes, I would like to make it a little softer. So likewise, it can also be taken as while I move towards the right in a picture, it enhances the landscapes. While I move towards the left, it softens the portraits. So for dog's fur, I'd like to just leave it here so that it looks more softer. So after that, we have clarity. The clarity changes the contrast around the edges of the textures in the pictures. If you can see that. So while I move towards the left, it seems like there is no, the edges are difficult to figure out. So moving towards the left softens the edges, while moving towards the right gives contrast to the edges. So I like to leave it right here. So it's up to you if you want it to be more softer picture or a more contrasting picture. It's all up to you what you want your picture to be. So the next one is dehaze. So dehaze adds the contrast and saturation that reduces the overexposure and causes the foggy part of an image to clear up. So while moving towards the left, adds stimulate haze, while moving towards the right, removes the haze. If you can see that, makes the picture more foggy. Yeah. So if you have a picture that's more foggy, you'd want to dehaze it by moving towards the right. Whereas if you want your picture to be foggy, you would want to move towards your left so that it looks foggy. So I don't want this picture to be foggy and rather be a little bit dehazed. So after dehaze, we have vignette, that is widely used while editing picture. So it makes the outer edge of the picture lighter or darker. That gives a classic look in the picture. Like we have moving towards the right, gives it a the outer edge lighter, like it's in a dream or something that you can portray. Whereas moving towards the left gives you a darker edge. These are widely used in posters, poster making, in the trailers and everything. Gives a classic look. I'd want to be more darker edges because I like dark pictures, so it's up to you. So it's here. The last is the grain. So grain is just what we know there are many textures in the picture. So the grain, what does grain do is it breaks down the textures in the picture into tiny little, as it itself says, into the grains. So like it emphasizes on the composition and colors of the tones. So let's see. You can see the difference here. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you learned something. These are widely used effects on Lightroom. You can also create a preset while working on these. And thank you and have a good one.